Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we already have spoilers for the July Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. So we do have three things. First one is the Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. Then we also have the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter in Pink Sands. And then the last thing is the Pure Lease Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Now, I couldn't get any pictures of this, so this must be something brand new out. So as soon as they make the reveal on this product, I will update you guys. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me which videos you are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you guys. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.